Well, I think creating a vision that motivates people, and when we rolled out zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion over a year ago now, that really has rallied everyone. And it doesn't matter what you're working on. It doesn't matter if you're a tax attorney or you're working on internal combustion engines. They know the importance of the role they're doing today and but they're proud to work for a company that is working and motivated to achieve that type of vision. We also work very hard on our work on creating a workplace of choice. And so making sure there's tolerance and respecting different views and welcoming inclusion and again, speaking up. We just, over the last 2 years, I met with, in diagonal slice me, or in small group meetings, I met with all of our top 260 executives from around the world to say, how do we behave as leaders when we're at our best? And after listening to 260 of our senior leaders tell us, we developed behaviors, actually we call them leadership commitments, because so much of it was creating the environment where people can debate and constructively look at issues, come up with the best issues, and they're empowered to do that. And so that's something we work very hard at the company to create that environment, because we truly believe it's important for not only working together, but it's important for speed. If the whole organization is waiting for a small handful of people at the top of the company to tell them what to do, we're going to lose. So, that kind of working together in teams and collaboration and constructive debate is what I think enables us to win and gives us the speed that's required to win.